This is Pat from Early Literacy Matters. Today we're talking about rainforests and jungles. I have a book that I want to read with you. It's called Rainforest, and this book is by Marte Ferguson Delano. It's part of National Geographic Kids. Rainforest. Look at that. Rainforest, explore my world. Gleaming green leaves, deep dark shade, hot steamy air, soft ground beneath your feet. Welcome to the rainforest. From lemon-colored snakes to lime-colored lizards, from electric blue butterflies to petal pink bugs, rainforests are full of amazing animals. Slither. On the dark and shady forest floor, huge pythons slip through fallen twigs and leaves. Enormous tarantulas tiptoe across roots. Poison dart frogs hop like jumping jewels. Swoosh, big bats swoop through leafy shrubs and twisting vines. Billions of bugs creep, crawl, flit, and flutter. In the understory, tree kangaroos climb, leopards lounge, and lizards leap. The understory is the level of shrubs, vines, and small trees above the forest floor. Roar! High up in the canopy, howler monkeys whoop and roar. Macaws screech and toucans croak. The canopy level is above the understory. It contains the leaves and branches of giant trees. Here, hummingbirds zip from flower to flower, sparkling in the sunshine. Acrobatic monkeys swing from vine to vine. Red-eyed tree frogs leap from the branch to branch. Mossy furred sloths hang still as statues. Split, splat, splatter, boom! A thunderstorm moves in. Rain pours onto the canopy and beats against the leaves. It fills the cup-shaped plants called bromeliads with water that creatures will drink and live in. It rolls down the tree trunks and drips off the vines onto the dark and shady forest floor. Rain falls nearly every day. All the plants and animals in the rainforest, from orchids to owls to orangutans, depend upon the rain. Drip, drop. Rain is what makes the rainforest so rich and full of life. And it makes beautiful rainbows too. And that's our book, Rainforest. I'm so glad we got to read a story today together. Until I see you again next time, bye.